Today, in the one-to-one series from GCPS Tech Tips, we are learning about one of the accessibility features available on your Chromebook. Accessibility features allow you to customize your Chromebook experience. Accessibility features such as Read Aloud, large cursor, and high contrast can make it easier to use your Chromebook. Each accessibility feature is turned on or off individually. To turn a feature on, click on the time display in the bottom right corner. Then select the accessibility icon and scroll to find the desired feature. Click on the feature to turn it on and follow the same steps to turn it back off. Today, we will be looking at the accessibility features that can be used to have your Chromebook read what's on the screen out loud. Chromebooks offer two features to assist with Read Aloud. Chromevox reads all text and tells you when there is a picture, chart, or anything else on the screen. It also can read aloud menu items to help with navigating a web page. Let's see this in action.
Chromebook spoken feedback is ready. All GCPS students will have a Chromebook assigned to them for the 2022-23 school year. Students can also check out a hotspot for internet access based on demonstrated need.
If you do not want everything on the page to be read aloud, instead of using Chromevox, use Select to Speak. This feature only reads aloud what you select after clicking the volume icon in the bottom right. Let's turn Chromevox off and Select to Speak on. Now, let's see the difference.
Device expectations. Use two hands when carrying device from one location to another.
To have your Chromebook read everything out loud, use Chromevox. If you leave Chromevox on, it will always be reading. To only have it read what you select, use Select to Speak. You can use the controls to navigate different parts of the screen. Turn these features on and off if they're helpful to you. And you might want some headphones. Accessibility features can help everyone. Next time in our one-to-one series, we will look at the accessibility features that assist with entering information. See you then on GCPS Tech Tips.